Duck farming, also known as duck rearing or duck raising, is the practice of raising ducks for various purposes, such as meat, eggs, feathers, and down. Duck farming can be done on a small scale for personal consumption or on a larger scale for commercial purposes. Here are some key aspects of duck farming. Housing. Ducks need appropriate housing that protects them from predators, weather elements, and provides enough space for them to move around comfortably. Housing can range from simple shelters to more complex structures depending on the scale of farming. Feeding. Ducks are omnivores and have a varied diet. They eat a combination of grains, greens, insects, and commercial feeds. It's essential to provide a balanced diet to ensure their health and productivity. Water. Ducks require access to clean water for drinking and bathing. They are waterfowl and enjoy swimming and splashing around, so providing a pond or shallow water source is beneficial for their well-being. Breeds. There are numerous breeds of ducks suitable for farming, each with its own characteristics and purposes. Pekin, Cocky Campbell, Indian Runner, and Muscovy are among the popular breeds chosen for meat and egg production. Healthcare. Like any livestock, ducks require regular health care to prevent diseases and maintain their well-being. This includes vaccinations, deworming, and providing appropriate veterinary care when needed. Breeding and reproduction. If you're interested in expanding your duck flock, understanding the basics of duck breeding is essential. Ducks are typically seasonal layers, with peak egg production occurring in the spring and summer months. Market and marketing. If you're farming ducks for commercial purposes, it's crucial to identify your target market and develop effective marketing strategies. This could involve selling duck meat, eggs, feathers, or even live ducks to consumers, restaurants, or other businesses. Regulations and compliance. Ensure that you are aware of and comply with any regulations or permits required for duck farming in your area. This may include zoning laws, environmental regulations, and food safety standards. Profitability and economics. Like any agricultural venture, understanding the economics of duck farming is important. Consider factors such as initial investment, ongoing costs, potential revenue streams, and market demand to assess the profitability of your duck farming operation.